everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in today. My name is Julie Olivarius, and I just thought I would pop on real quick to share with you just a couple quick tips for filling in your brows for a little bit more of a natural look. So, as you can see, I already have this brow on this side filled in, and first things first is you want to make sure you've got a good color. Now, this is a medium shade that I've used here. Sometimes I'll use a dark shade. That's really for more of a defined look, a little bit stronger of a brow look. So if you want something that's a little bit more natural, go maybe a shade or half a shade or so lighter. So I'm using a medium shade today for my brows. The next tip is get yourself one like this that has a little spoolie end here, as well as, of course, the pencil, because this will help you prep your brows by simply brushing them out before you fill in. Next, what you want to do, and you can start wherever you're most comfortable. I like to start at the front of the brow here and work my way in. But notice what I'm doing first for more of just a filled in look versus, a really shaped look. If your brows are fairly decently shaped, you may be able to get away with just filling in and a little bit less on the shaping side. But notice that I'm just using really small strokes and I'm moving along as if I am like implanting hairs, right? So these hairs on the front, I'm going in an upwards motion here. And as we start to move this way, I am moving the way that my hairs are moving, which is more sideways, if you'll notice. So definitely follow where your hairs are going. If they're, right on the front here, they're popping more straight up. So you don't want to be filling in at an angle because that's not the way your brows are going. So then if you do need a little shaping, of course, feel free to do that, but keep the strokes really light and small, so that you create more of a natural look. When you want a natural look, you don't want that strong drawn on look. I typically won't even use a brow stencil. If you guys have ever tried an eyebrow stencil, they really are great for people that need help shaping their brows. I used to use them. My brows are definitely more in shape now than they used to be, so I don't really use them as much anymore, but they're definitely beneficial if you need them. So, as you can see, very quick, very easy to fill in the brows. Doesn't take much time, but using those small strokes and using a shade that is maybe just a smidge lighter than your brow color can really help just give a softer, more natural look. So if you've got questions, please let me know. Also, be sure to subscribe to my blog. You can do that at julieolivarius.com/blog. Every week I'm posting new tips for you, showing some of my latest videos, so you can find all of that there. And as always, feel free to reach out to me and ask me any questions that you have. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.